Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today we're going to be looking at the stocks I'm currently looking at and the stocks I think are winners. But before I start this video, let me preface it by saying these are my stock practices. I'm not recommending anybody put all their money into it. Obviously, putting money into stocks is risky and there is never a guarantee that you will win or lose. Now, that being out of the way, the stocks I'm currently looking at this and the stocks that I think will do amazingly within the next year are lithium stocks. If you don't know what lithium is the stuff that gets mined to put into batteries. And why is lithium so important right now? As you can see, we are in a transition from combustion engines to electrical vehicles, or electrical engines. I wouldn't even call them engines, electrical motored vehicles. And in order for that transition to happen, we need the components to create those electrical vehicles. And the most important, or one of the most important and widely used materials in that process will be lithium, because all the batteries that go into those electrical cars will be using lithium ion batteries. That's essentially the battery that's being used right now and the material that's being used for the batteries. So lithium mining companies will make a shitload of money in that process. Lithium stocks will definitely go up, and I'll even screenshot an example of how it's gone up in the past year, and you'll be surprised as to how much one of these lithium companies has risen in the past year. And we're not even full transition yet. They're trying to implement small pieces, test out how electrical vehicles are going. Obviously, Tesla is doing amazingly, so they're going to try to push different car manufacturers to slowly adopt electrical cars, and a lot of manufacturers are already getting into that. Manufacturers like Ford, the new EV Mustang, things of that nature. But lithium companies should definitely go up right now. Companies that mine lithium, companies that manufacture and produce those batteries will definitely be going up within the next couple of years. So that's the area, the industry I'm currently focused on. When you're investing in stocks, you got to look at the world holistically, or at least your country holistically, and ask yourself which area is going to grow within the next 5 years, within the next 10 years, or even within the next year. And then genuinely look at why they're increasing, why there's a demand for it. There's a huge governmental push to transition to electrical vehicles. When governmental representatives are trying to get reelected, they constantly say, oh, I'm a proponent of electrical vehicles, I'm going to push that. And then when they get in, they might push a law or two to make it more convenient for electrical vehicle manufacturers to make money, I guess, and to push out things. They're trying to incentivize that. And when they incentivize that, obviously those companies are going to grow. So there you guys go. Check out lithium stocks within the next year or so. They're going to go up tremendously. One of the stocks I was looking at is called Sigma Lithium. You could check that out yourself. I believe in the past 3 months it's up 55%. Within the past year it's up 250%, and it's continuing to go up. So definitely check that out. But hope you guys found this informative. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.